2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, air conditioning, front, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power door locks, power windows, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.